Makali Mulu. Honorable Makali is on the floor. Nothing is out of order. Honorable Makali.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chair. Honorable Chair, I think the issue being raised by the Chair of the Finance Committee is the issue of administrative nature, where you're saying deducting the money might be tricky. What I would propose, Honorable Chair, what Honorable Jukal is saying makes a lot of sense. Deductions should only be after the statutory deductions. That is payee, NHIF, and possibly those who have NSSF. So what I would be proposing, Honorable Chair, is how if the Chair of Finance could make an amendment so that we isolate those three, but then make sure it's not after the circle deductions and all those others. Because Kenyans need disposable income, Honorable Chair, for this economy to grow. In a situation where you squeeze all the disposable income, you will never grow this economy, and what you want to achieve as a country, you'll never achieve it. I'm speaking as an expert in this area. So I wish the Chair could make an amendment so that we only deduct after those net deductions. I submit, Honorable Chair.
What is out of order, Honorable Junet?
Yeah, thank you very much for giving a chair. I want to urge our members on this side to drop all the amendments because it's not making any improvement in the House, and we allow the Kenya Kwanza people to do the amendments as they wish and pass the bill. Sasa nyinyi mnaambiwa mtoka nje, muendeni nyumbani.
Honorable Chair, do you have anything to add on this? Member for Funyula. Honorable Nchoke, what is it?
Chair.
You have the mic now, Honorable Nchoke.
Yeah, can you give me a mic? Honorable Chair, we can cure the chairman's fears by defining what net means. Because if we leave it gross, it's punitive, it's prohibitive. Kenyans are already suffering. So we can define that and remove the fears that the chairman has. Thank you.
Majority Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Chair, I think it's only fair that you put the question now on this matter because what Honorable Nyikali is saying, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Chair, is that just geared towards reducing the amount that is collectible with no justification at all, and we completely disagree with the justification he's giving. It doesn't make a lot of sense. And I have spoken to Honorable Nyikali. I was trying to prevail on him to drop this particular amendment because he has another amendment that we are in support of, and he knows where